Karnataka, 99 NGT batch.
I am Dr. Dijichandran from Kerala. Here I am doing FRCD. I am the 41st batch.
I myself Dr. Foram Doduk from Gujarat. I am doing a Mastership in General Dentistry. Duration of my course is 6 months.
Hi, myself Dr. Sandra. I'm from Kerala, 41st FRCD batch.
From MRD 40th batch. I'm from Kerala.
Hi, myself Elizabeth. I'm from Kerala. I've joined for the FRCD batch. Duration of course is 3 months.
We got a lots of patient exposure here.
Really nice patient flow. The patient exposure is a lot.
Yeah, there is enough number of patients I'm getting in AIAD.
Here we are getting a good number of patients. They are explaining the procedures from basic to the advanced level. We are able to do RCTs in rotary also, and impactions and all they are explaining very nicely.
Yeah, there's a lot of patients.
Lot of patients coming over here.
The duration of my course is 3 months. Since there are many patients coming daily, my quota is getting completed faster. That's almost around within 2 months only.
Yeah. It is getting completed within the 6 month and all. It is like we will get completed within the duration only.
We finished the quota before the time actually.
We have completed our quota even before the set time.
I completed my quota before duration. Here we got surgical cases as well as implant and advanced bleaching case also.
Because of sufficient number of patients, we are able to complete the course in the set time, and we get more number of cases than it is allotted for us. So I recommend this for everyone. Thank you.
See you in next batch.